At Polar IceTech, we are dry ice blasting specialists. So in the food and beverage industry, we clean a lot of moisture sensitive and abrasive sensitive process and production equipment. The unique properties of dry ice ensure that components and equipment are both cleaned and decontaminated in one step. The dry ice has significant antibacterial properties, so it kills and ensures all bacteria or any risks are effectively and efficiently dealt with. We would clean a lot of ovens and conveyor systems, motors, pumps, control cabinets, but also mixers and vessels where food product are in direct contact, and the dry ice is food grade, so it's ideal and suitable for all food production facilities.